Another day, another dollar. Because as expected, this price action really play out like yesterday analysis, because we marked at the end of the analysis these three zones as major resistance, and we have this blue area also as we could say the best area for price to range, because we have these two lows that created a very interesting zone of manipulation at one point. You can see we didn't broke here, but we try to retest again, and we have this big spike and a big wick that acts as manipulation, not breaking the low but creating a new one. So price then continue with what it looks like a bull flag before encountering or countering this zone as a major resistance. Remember, this is the 4 hours, so in lower time frames you will have more price action around this area. So you can see we clearly reject this. Let me check where is the with this. We clearly rejected the area 2 times at least before printing the all-time high, which was also a very big wick, meaning this area is really avoided by gold, like it was acting in previous years with the all-time highs broke, because as you can see, every time gold broke all-time high, it was a very sensitive area for price to stay in that range. So we don't have to fix the premium data, but 220 and 2011 is the same situation like this, that you break the all-time high and you quickly reevaluate the price. In this situation we had a very small retracement, and then we had the bull flag, and now we have the what looks to be a very healthy now official retracement, we could say, because we're printing this little impulse to the upside after big wicks. Again, this is the 4 hours, so this is very long price action, even though the move was very big or huge compared to that. Well, this is something. We are having at least a retracement that is giving the price we could say the time for maybe break the new all-time high, because as mentioned in previous analysis, fundamental and technically, gold price is very bullish, and there's nothing that tells us that price might slow down because of USA recovery. But tomorrow we have these 2 days, and usually also Friday gives some price action or some reversal that we can take advantage of. But yesterday we mentioned that price will stay ranging in this area before any major news. So we have GDP tomorrow at 6:30 AM on my side. It's more or less 1 hour before the market open at NYCE. So today this is Asia session, so it's barely, or it's just starting. You can expect more range. Maybe we'll retest again either this resistance, or we're gonna approach this low, because even if data tomorrow keeps hitting the USA or the USA economy, this area is still looks very tempting for price to retest or even to manipulate traders. So here, let's give it it's doing in a different color, so just to have the reference that this is another zone. It looks the same, but it works. Like maybe we have this retracement or the retest in the we could say this is a kind of a resistance. We could say R1 2333, and here if price managed to retest again also, or give us a retracement before any news, just check news, because if data is good for USA, any minimal recovery will take price to the next area that is here. Very hard we get in these next 2 days to here, but with gold to the downside, never well, don't discard anything, it can happen. So pretty much those are the 2 things that we need to keep an eye on it, because as you can see, this is the 4 hour again. This is very clean price action. You don't need anything else but to mark these zones in the chart and know where the price is, because price might do 2 things. It will do 2 things all the time, but you need to know that First of all, it will do the two things at the same time, but you need to know where it's going to go harder with, like where it's going to spike harder, and you need to take that move. You need to trade it or invest in the move, because if not, you're just wasting the time of the market. So in this situation, try to mark the levels, because if you don't mark them, you are gonna be in the market list. So don't be the stop loss, don't be the wick that is getting manipulated, because market will do whatever it wants. So just flow with it. Don't push it, don't pressure it, and you will make money. Have a good day.